pathetic lesbian. You are a mentally unwell woman who has spent her entire life posting, "I need a bad bitch RN." Now, you will be the one who is bad. In front of you, there are two women. One of them is a sweaty, butch mechanic who smokes enough cigarettes to kill God. The other is a 47-year-old office worker who hates you. You must have a heartbreaking, fiery, 3-week fling before leaving her in shambles, and marry the other within 3 hours of knowing her, or the collar around your neck will detonate. Love or die. Make your choice.